Flat Earthers chili dog right here. It's lunchtime here at the Crowbar Mansion, and I'm gonna show you a little secret, little insider secret to having a chili dog without any of the dog necessities. So what I like to do is I like to get me some of this original chili, just like this, right? Pour it into the pan, heat it up, that's all you gotta do. And in another pan, you're gonna wanna start frying some sauerkraut. And I like to use this sauerkraut, this Duchess. This stuff is the best sauerkraut you can get, but you gotta fry it first. Fry it in a pan. Now you wanna go to your toaster and get 4 slices of bread ready. Don't start toasting them until you got your bologna frying. Oh, did I not mention we were gonna fry some bologna? Looking for is a nice simmer like this, and your chili should start getting nice and warm. I like to use some tortilla chips and have a couple bites. Yum. And while this is frying, you wanna add some bologna to the pan. I'm probably gonna have 2 sandwiches, so one over here. One right in here. You want that butter to really get these nice and browned up. Now that your bologna's in, you want to put your bread down to toast. Now it comes to the portion where we put everything together. Let me show you how we do that. Do this one at a time. Are you ready? I need a... First, you want to grate some of this cheddar on your bread.
Oh, guess what?
Then you're going to slop your first bologna piece down. Get your other bologna piece, lay that down. Then you're gonna do another layer of cheese.
Whoa, cheese.
Then you're gonna take some of this sauerkraut, you're gonna knock it off onto one of the sandwiches, knock it off onto this one.
Dad, wait.
This is a mess, bro. It's gonna be a mess. You're gonna be messing your face up. A little more of this cheese. Now you're gonna want a spoon with perforated holes like this so you can get more of the meat, less of the juice. You just wanna straddle some of the juice out and just, yep, nice and meaty like that. Now don't get me wrong, we are gonna be dipping our sandwiches in this delicious meat sauce. This is how you get that fresh hot dog from a cart. Boom. There you go. Done. Do the first bite. Ah, it tastes just like a delicious, straight from a street vendor hot dog. I call it delicious. The Flat Earthers chili dog. Absolutely phenomenal. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Would recommend to a friend. Ooh. If you have some super cheap hot sauce, just put that right in there. That's all she takes. Truly the next level. Phenomenal. If you have the time, and it don't take much money, I promise you that. Make one. Make one. Try it. Solid. Look at that. So good.
Honestly, I'm gonna have to make another. It's been a minute since I had one of these phenomenal slam. So good. I love sauerkraut. Look at this. Look at this beautiful accoutrement flavor. Done. Thanks for watching. Come back again.
Okay. I got your hand here.
Don't be afraid to use all of this sauerkraut, baby. Chicks love it when you fart. Don't let them confuse you.
Follow me, follow what I'm about to say, and then I want you to try it and tell me this isn't the best fucking sandwich you ever had. Let me show you what I got going on.